That's the word you got to think about. Decompression. When the planet is not weighted evenly and you get a changing land speed. You might think the Benz is only diving in water and coming up too fast. Coming up too fast, the speed of change. Changing air pressure, changing water pressure, lithospheric pressures. We're talking about spacing between small particles. It's a big planet. Let's talk about centrifugal and centripetal forces. We're talking about centrifugal forces as we spin. And then as we go through rapid spin and changes in spin, we have changes in pressure. You'll notice changes in temperature because we move under different structures at different latitudes. Hot, then cold. Hot, then cold. High air pressure, low air pressure. It affects the water. It affects the rocks. It affects your house. It affects your carpet. It affects your body. We're talking about spacing between small particles here. This is our symbol for change. And a stable planet going evenly, less change, right? And pressures. Change, increase, decrease. Rapid change, more difficult. Slow changes, easier. No change, maybe a little bit sultry, but a little bit of change will mix things up. But you can go into rapid change and large changes, rapid increases and the magnitude of the increase. But what it comes down to what does it matter? And have you got little bubbles? Are you more gassy at the rear end? Are you burping? Are you farting? Sorry about the local language there. But let's look at small particles and we agree that they vibrate. Do we? They move. They've got space around them. You have bigger space under low pressure. Decreases in pressure. Bigger spaces. So I should have done it the other way really, shouldn't I? And then increases in pressure, smaller spaces. Go from big pressure to low pressure and squeeze the gas out. Thump it, squeeze it out. I want to go to alpha and beta. Alpha and beta, and talk about our Greek symbols because they're mixed in with everything else. And you see what that is. I want to talk about growing up and being capable. We'll get on to that now.